Hey everyone, thought I'd do a little video on my Switchblade collection. They say once you have more than two of something, you have a collection. Well, I guess you could call this a collection. It's basically stuff that I've found at the flea markets and yard sales over the years. We'll go through them real quick. First up, this is a Boker. Nice spring to the blade. Seen a little wear, but quality knife. Next up is a Benchmade serrated edge, model 9110. Next up is another Benchmade. This one looks like it's never been carried. This is the combo edge, and it's model 9050, all metal handle, really well made. And the one that I don't know how to say, side opening, it's a Hamji. Really well made. Love the antler handle, and pretty simple mechanism for a safety mechanism. Over here we have the Cobra Tech knife, which is out the front. Lots of force to it. Quality knife with the sheath and everything in there. And last but not least, the little Camillus. Try that again. A little bit of wear to it. This has been carried for a while. I think this was a Coast Guard issue. But still, cool little knife. So there you go.